Hey guys, so my name is Israel Abunna and I will be demoing an app that I built for a hackathon. The name of the app is TIE, which stands for Teacher Artificial Intelligence. The app is basically a platform that lets anyone learn anything with AI. So let me just show you how it works. So as now I open the app, you can see I already have some courses that I've been going through. I have a course on AI ML, I have a course on Intro to Crypto. So let's create a new course with TIE. Hi TIE.
Hey Israel, how are you doing? What would you like to learn today?
I am doing good, Ty. Today I would like to learn about Greek mythology.
Great choice. Greek mythology is fascinating. How much time are you thinking of dedicating to this, and how deep would you like to go into the topic?
So I have a max of 4 weeks because I have to talk about this very soon. And I am thinking of getting at least a very solid beginner understanding of the topic.
That sounds like a doable plan, Israel. With 4 weeks, we can cover the major gods and goddesses, some key myths, and the influence of Greek mythology on art and culture. You'll have a solid beginner understanding by then. Sit back and relax as I start working on your course.
Awesome. So now we have our course on Greek mythology, and I see that it's complete, so I can open. So I open the course, and you can see Greek mythology, 4 weeks, beginner, status complete. The idea behind TIE is that we are trying to replace the educational system. It's kind of hard to say. So the idea is that each course has multiple classes in it. So you can see this course has 5 classes here. Okay, so the first class is on Olympian gods. So let's check that out. When I click here, you see open the preview, just a sneak peek into what the course is about. Then I can open up the class, and so you see, first of all, you have text if you prefer reading. There's text you can read. But if you're like me, if you're a visual learner and you just like to watch videos, then definitely ties for you as well. So let's just play the video.
Imagine a world where gods walked among mortals, wielding powers beyond comprehension. Welcome to Greek mythology, where the Olympian gods reigned supreme from Mount Olympus, led by the formidable Zeus. Zeus, the king of the gods, ruled the skies with thunderbolts. His presence was both awe-inspiring and terrifying, shaping the very essence of ancient Greek culture and religion. Zeus's dominion extended beyond the skies. His wife Hera was the protector of marriage, while his brothers, Poseidon and Hades, ruled the seas and the underworld, respectively. Poseidon, with his trident, commanded the oceans, while Hades governed the realm of the dead. Together, they formed a divine family that influenced every aspect of life and death. Zeus's children were equally legendary. Athena, the goddess of wisdom, emerged fully grown from his head, while Apollo, the master of music, enchanted all with his melodies. Artemis, the huntress, roamed the forests, and Hermes, the swift messenger, delivered divine messages. Ares, Dionysus, and Aphrodite, the goddess of love.
Okay, so that's just a sneak peek into what TIE can do. Basically creates a multimodal course for you. And so while building TIE, I quickly realized that people learn differently, so I had to account for that. So I added some accessibility features right here under learning preferences. So here you can see that you have learning style and learning needs. So it's just to account for different types of or different archetypes of people's profile in terms of how they learn. So for example, if you're a visual learner, definitely the videos are for you. If you are an audio learner, then if you're an audio learner, then I mean the video is kind of video and sound, so that still works for you. If you are dyslexic, we are going to make use of dyslexia friendly text. If you have ADHD, we make use of so shorter videos, and then some triggers in the videos to keep your attention. If you have autism, we play a soothing background sound within the video just to keep you chilled throughout the video. If you have color blindness, we increase the contrast of the video and the interface. If you have slight deafness, so we're going to make use of spatial audio, and I'll explain that further. If you need larger text, obviously increase the font. Prefer simplified language, you can obviously do that. If you prefer simplified language, we can just affect change the system to ensure that the courses you get are more simplified. And if you're more of a hands-on learner, we'll get into that and why we believe that we can help you with that with Thai. So the cool thing about Thai, and one cool thing about Thai is that you can watch the videos in VR. Let me show you right here. So this is a video on crypto, like blockchain fundamentals. Okay, so you see this button right here, the floating button at the bottom right. If I click on this button, you can see watch class in virtual reality. If I click on this, it gives you a QR code that you can scan with your VR device, and instantly you can watch the video in VR. So if you are like a hands-on learner, so this system I know yet as good as they can be, but currently you can just watch the video with VR, and if you have like a Vision Pro or a Meta Quest 3, you can watch with spatial audio, which helps. If you have the issue of slight deafness. So that is something that I think is pretty cool about Thai, and it helps you learn in different ways. Yeah, so that is kind of like brief intro into what Thai can do and the concepts behind using AI to learn. Yeah, so just let me know what you think about it, and I'm definitely going to be interested in hearing what you say. Thank you.